Okay guys, this video is in how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Assuming that you already have a VirtualBox installed. If you don't have the VirtualBox, I will upload another video on how to install VirtualBox. But in this case, we are going to install, assuming that you already have it installed. First of all, we have to create a new VirtualBox. We are going to call it Kali 2019.3 underscore 1. We are going to select the type is Linux. VirtualBox is a Debian, so we are going to select either 32 or 64 bits. I will select 64 bits for this install and click next. On the memory, we are going to put 2 gigs of RAM. It means 2048. Click next. Let's leave that as it is. Create. Next. Leave it in dynamically. And on the size of the hard disk, we are going to select 50 gigs. Or we can type and click create. Now we go to settings, we go to storage, and on this one we are going to select the ISO file, choose from a file, we select Kali Linux and click OK. Now we start the virtual machine. And select with the keyboard, we go down to install graphical install, click enter. Select the language. In this case we are going to select English. Also we are going to select the country. We are going to select United States. The keyboard layout is going to be American English. And let's wait. In the host name we are going to type Kali or whatever name you want. In this case we are going to leave Kali. In the domain we are going to leave it blank. In password, in this case we are going to type Tor. We are going to repeat it and click continue. We are going to select our time zone. In my case is Eastern. We are going to select the first option, continue, 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 and continue. In this case the default is no, we are going to put yes, and this process will take several minutes. I will pause the video and get it back whenever it's done. Okay, that process took about 5 minutes. Now it asks us to use a network mirror. We are going to click yes and continue. Proxy, we are going to leave it blank and continue. Now we are going to click yes, continue. On this we are going to select DEV and click continue. I will pause the video since this will take about a couple minutes. 2 minutes later it let us know that the installation is complete. We are going to click continue. Now it's removing all the installation files that are not necessary for the system, since it's already installed on the hard drive. And after this it's going to reboot and start on Kali. It's rebooting now. Just wait, it will automatically start. And done. Now it's asking us for the username. Now we are going to type the username root, and the password Tor, and it's done.